Hello everyone, welcome back to the Mod Reviewers. Today I'm going to show you how to install Google Play Store on the Redmi K40 Gaming Edition from Xiaomi. So without any delay, let's begin. This is the Bruce Lee edition, as you can see, King of Kung Fu. So this phone is from Xiaomi itself, using the latest MediaTek chipset instead of Snapdragon. So basically there are two trigger buttons over here, just like the Xiaomi Black Shark. As you can see, the trigger has popped up and we can close it. So let's begin to install the Google Play Store. So basically the first step is to go into the setting and ensure that your MIUI is at least 12.5. So the next step is to go to the services. Go to the account and sync and ensure that the basic Google services is being enabled. So back to the main page, you will need to enter this application called Get Apps from me itself. Agree. Skip. Go to the main page. Over here, yes, you press agree, and okay. This is to ask you whether do you want to change your language into English. Yes, okay. So you type Google over here and go to the Google Play itself. Update. Open. So I will need to sign in my Google account right now. Please hold on. Okay, the Google Play Store has successfully installed. As you can see, it's over here. Just to double confirm everything, Player Protect certification device is certified. Do ensure that it's certified so that you can use all the basic Google services over here, including your contact sync. Most of the device, if the device is not certified, you will have issues using the Google Contact Sync, and sometimes even their Google Maps and any other services that is related to Google. So do ensure that the device is certified. This is very important. Okay, so basically that comes to the end of the tutorial on how to install the Google Play Store. If you do like our video and find it useful, do kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you very much.